Effect of speed and direction on the velocity. See here, Sachin is traveling on a motorbike. Explain what will happen in the following events during the Sachin's ride. Student, we know that speed is nothing but the distance traveled by an object in motion divided by time taken, and velocity is also distance upon time, but it requires the direction. That means velocity is expressed with the help of direction and the magnitude. Here the different cases are given. In different cases, the speed and direction, how it will affect on the velocity, we have to study. In the first case, what will be the effect on the velocity of the motorcycle if its speed increases or decreases but its direction remains unchanged. Here the velocity of motorcycle स्पीड इन्क्रीजेस और डिक्रीजेस, म्हणजेच सचिन हा मोटारसायकल चालवतो आणि मोटारसायकल चालवत असताना तिचे डायरेक्शन सेम ठेवून, इट डायरेक्शन रिमेन्स अनचेंज, द डायरेक्शन सेम ठेवून त्याने स्पीड इन्क्रीज केली किंवा डिक्रीज केली तर नक्कीच त्याच्या गतीवरती म्हणजेच व्हेलॉसिटीवरती परिणाम होणार आहे. इन सेकंड केस, in case of turning on the road, will the velocity and speed be the same? If Sachin changes the direction of the motorcycle keeping its speed constant, what will be the effect on the velocity? तर सचिनने या ठिकाणी स्पीड कॉन्स्टंट ठेवली मोटारसायकलवरती ज्यावेळेस तो ट्रॅव्हलिंग करतो, बट ही हॅव टू टर्न द रोड, म्हणजे ही हॅव टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन, सो दॅट इट विल ऑल्सो इफेक्ट on the velocity, because velocity it is a vector quantity which requires magnitude as well as the direction for its expression. Then third point, if on turning Sachin changes the direction as well as the speed of the motorcycle, what will be the effect on its velocity? As Sachin, in this case, as Sachin changes the direction as well as speed, if the speed changes, the velocity also changes, direction changes, velocity also changes. In this case, the both velocity direction as well as speed changes, so that it will affect on the velocity. It is clear from the above that velocity depends on speed as well as direction that velocity changes by. See here, first point, changing the speed while keeping the direction same. Second, changing the direction while keeping the speed same. Third, changing the speed as well as direction. Always remember, see here student, what is given. The first scientist to measure the speed as the distance upon time was Galileo. The speed of sound in dry air is 343.2 meter per second, while the speed of light is about 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of revolution of the earth around the sun is about 29,770 meter per second. Now next bit, acceleration. Let's try this. Student, in let's try this या ॲक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये जो कंटेंट दिलेला आहे लक्ष द्या. टेक 1 meter long plastic tube and cut it lengthwise into 2 halves. Take one of the channel shaped piece, place one of its end on the ground and hold the other at some height from the ground as shown in figure. Take a small ball and release it from the upper end of the channel. Observe the velocity of the ball as it rolls down along the channel. Is its velocity the same at all points? Observe how the velocity changes as it moves from top through the middle and to the bottom. आता या ठिकाणी एक चॅनल आपण तयार केलेला आहे आणि या चॅनलच्या वरच्या टोकाकडनं बॉल सोडतोय. ते या बॉलच्या व्हेलॉसिटीकडे ऑब्झर्व करताना असं लक्षात येतं की ज्यावेळेस बॉल हा वरच्या टोकाला होता त्यावेळेस त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी खूप कमी होती. But when it comes to the middle, its velocity increases, and while at the last point, त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी आणखीन आपल्याला इन्क्रीज झालेली दिसून येते. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस चॅनलवरनं आपण बॉल सोडतो त्यावेळेस त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी प्रत्येक वेळेस कॉन्स्टंट राहत नाही, तर ती व्हेलॉसिटी इन्क्रीज किंवा डिक्रीज होत जाते. You must have all played on a slide in a park. You know that while sliding down, the velocity is less at the top. It increases in the middle and becomes 0 towards the end, so that the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. आता या ठिकाणी परत एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही पार्कमध्ये घसरगुंडी खेळतात तर घसरगुंडीवर बसलेला असताना वरच्या टॉप पोझिशनला तुमची व्हेलॉसिटी ही कमी असते, पण ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही घसरत खाली येतात त्यावेळेस मिडलमध्ये तुमची व्हेलॉसिटी ही इन्क्रीज होते आणि त्याचबरोबर जेव्हा पूर्णपणे खाली येतात व्हेलॉसिटी इन्क्रीज होऊन सगळ्यात शेवटी ती झिरो होते. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीने व्हिलॉसिटी पहिले कमी, नंतर वाढलेली आणि नंतर परत डिक्रीज होणे. तर हे जे रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ व्हिलॉसिटी आहे त्यालाच आपण ॲक्सेलरेशन म्हणतो. व्हॉट इज ॲक्सेलरेशन? ॲक्सेलरेशन इज द चेंज इन व्हिलॉसिटी विथ टाईम. यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवरमध्ये when an object is at rest in the beginning of its motion, what is its initial velocity? So students, here if an object is rest, then obviously its velocity is 0. When an object comes to rest at the end of its motion, what is its final velocity? So final velocity is also 0 here. Acceleration is equal to change in the velocity per time. If the initial velocity is indicated by u and time t, it changes to the final velocity v. So acceleration is nothing but acceleration is denoted by small a letter. Final velocity is denoted by v and initial velocity is denoted by letter small u and time is denoted by t. So that we have here formula for acceleration: a is equal to v minus u divided by time, where u is initial velocity, v is final velocity and a is acceleration. That means acceleration is nothing but velocity is changing. That means the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. शेवटी जे पॉईंटमध्ये दिलेले लक्ष द्या. इफ द व्हिलॉसिटी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट चेंजेस ड्युरिंग अ सर्टन टाइम पिरियड, then it is said to be have accelerated motion. An object in motion can have two types of the acceleration. जर एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट मोशनमध्ये आहे आणि त्या मोशनमध्ये असलेल्या ऑब्जेक्टची व्हिलॉसिटी ही सर्टन टाइम पिरियड नंतर चेंज होत असेल तर त्या ऑब्जेक्टची मोशन ही ॲक्सेलरेटेड मोशन आहे असं आपण म्हणतो. तर प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्टला, कोणत्याही ऑब्जेक्टला दोन टाईपचे ॲक्सेलरेशन असू शकतात. फर्स्ट, if the velocity changes by equal amounts in equal interval of time, the object is said to be in uniform acceleration. या ठिकाणी युनिफॉर्म ॲक्सेलरेशनमध्ये इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाईममध्ये इक्वल अमाऊंटमध्ये व्हिलॉसिटी चेंज होते, सो दॅट द ॲक्सेलरेशन इज युनिफॉर्म ॲक्सेलरेशन. व्हाईल इफ द velocity changes by unequal amount in equal time interval, then the object is said to be non uniform acceleration. जर या ठिकाणी ऑब्जेक्टची व्हिलॉसिटी ही इक्वल टाईम इंटरवलमध्ये अनइक्वल अमाऊंटमध्ये चेंज होत असेल, then this type of the acceleration is known as non-uniform acceleration. So student, we have completed our point acceleration and the effect of speed and direction on the velocity. Share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you.